Hello friends, my name is Dhara Unarkar. Welcome to my channel Prepare Yourself. Today I am going to take the session of the verbs do, does and did. So here we go. Do, does and did. In this slide, we will understand the uses of do. We use do with I, you, we or they in the present tense. Or we can say we can use do with plural nouns. Let's understand it step by step. It is very common to use do, doesn't it as an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also known as helping verbs together with another verb in its base sentence. Let me repeat. It is very common to use do, does and did as an helping verb or auxiliary verb together with another verb in its base form. This verb is used to create negative sentences, questions or for adding emphasis. In this slide, we will understand how to form questions with the help of do. Let's have a look at the example. Do you think the driver has lost its control? We have formed a question using do and you. Do I know you? We have formed a question using do and I. We can form few more questions. Do we need to buy the raincoat? Do they play cricket the whole day? So now we understand how do we find or how do we format the questions using do. Does. We use does with third person singular pronoun, that is when the subject is he, she or it. I repeat, we use does with third person singular pronouns, that is when the subject is he, she or it. Let's have a look. Does he made the soup? Does she won the race? Does it snow in winter? So here we have understood how to form questions using does. We use does with he, she or it. The negative sentence structure with the help of do. It will be don't. We use don't with I, you, they and we. The structure of the sentence is subject plus do, does, not, plus main verb as a base form plus sentence. The negative form of do is do not, but in English we should speak don't instead of do not. Let's have a look at the example. I do not like coffee. Please take it away. This is not the correct way of speaking. The correct way is, I don't like coffee. Please take it away. See what happened? The right sentence structure helped us. Does as negative sentence structure. Does not. We use doesn't with he, she and it. The negative form of does is does not. But in English, we always say doesn't. Let's have a look at the example. He does not like noise. This is not the correct way of speaking. So tell me, what is the correct way of speaking? It is, he doesn't like noise. See, the correct sentence structure helped us. Did. Let's have a look when we can use did. Oh, I, you, he, she, they, we. Yes, we can use did with all kinds of pronoun. That is I, you, he, she, they, and we. Let me tell you the reason why. We use did in the past tense. Did is the past form of do and does. Therefore, we use did with all kinds of pronoun. Let's have a look at the example. Did you scored well? Did you enjoy it? These are the examples of did in question format. Now let's have a look at the negative sentence structure of did. It is didn't. The negative form of did is did not, or we can say it is didn't. I do not know you were coming. I didn't know you were coming. Is it right? Yes. Friends, my name is Dhara Onarkar, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Prepare yourself. Thank you and have a blessed day.